Hey, this is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader. Today I traded APA, which was a nice winner in the open. APLS, which was basically a break even. I traded Crowd, which was a small loser, and Tesla, which was a massive winner from here all the way to here. And I had a break even on Nvidia. So the first trade was on APA, and APA, I'm proud of this trade, but I did leave a lot of money on the table. So I was watching APA because it had news that the company discovered oil, their oil company, and the stock was up, I believe, like 20% in the pre-market. So what I liked in the open was that sellers on, so this is the first bar, the second bar. On the second bar, the short was, or on the third bar, the short was triggered because the third bar made a new low, but then the shorts got trapped. Once I noticed that the shorts were trapped and it bounced off this 20 EMA, I went long with the low of day as my stop. I sold half of my position at 31.09, I believe, or 31.05. Sold more here, and then I took the rest off once it made a new 5-minute low, and also this 5-minute low. It coincided with this support right here. The stock found a double bottom or support right here at 30.80, and I told myself that if it goes below 30.80, I'm gonna take it off and look to buy more if it came back to the 20 EMA, and but it never came back to the 20 EMA. As soon as I liquidated the rest of my position, it continued moving higher. This was a nice stock to hold on to for the entire day. It made a nice run, but I did capture a good portion of it from here to here. My next trade was on APLS, which is a biotech company, and they had some type of news about a positive result, and I'm disappointed with the way this trade turned out. So it sold off in the open, and it retraced to about 50% of the sell-off, and once it made a new 5-minute low, I went short. But yeah, I was hoping for it to make a new low, but in hindsight, maybe I shouldn't have taken this trade because it never really tested the VWAP or the 20 EMA, because usually traders want to get confirmation that it failed at the 20 EMA before they decide to short it. So that's what happened here. It just not enough traders were convinced that the retracement was over, and I did try to get out for a break even right here, but then I made a hockey mistake and added to my position. Once I realized that, I got out pretty much for a break even, and then once I noticed that we tested the 20 EMA and we were starting to lose it, I went short again, but I got out for a break even once it made a new 5-minute high. I just did not like what was going on, and good thing I got out because well, actually it did reach my target, but after that it just went higher. So this was unfortunate. The mistake that I made on this was I shouldn't have taken this short because the price hadn't tested VWAP or the 20 EMA. I had an amazing trade on Tesla. This was my best trade of the day, and I captured what. So I bought it at 460.64, and my last partial was at 460, basically 469. So this was almost a $9 move that I captured. And on Tesla, what I saw was in the open, I saw a climax sell, so it sold off in the open, but it was very climatic. And then after that, it moved higher, made a higher low, and I took it long right here. I bought it right here when I saw that it bounced on this 5-minute chart, which does not include pre-market data. Once I saw that it bounced off the 20 EMA and also this trend line, I took it long and I sold. So my stop was right here. Sold half of my position here, and I sold the rest here when it just went parabolic, and I thought it was overextended. Took the rest off there. After that, did it? Yeah, it went a little higher, but I'm very proud of this trade. This trade made my day. I did mess around with crowd. Crowd made my day yesterday, and today I was looking for a continuation. And the open, I liked that we made this spike, this move up, and I was looking for a test of this high of day. So I went long right here, but then I was stopped out right here. And then once it made a double bottom lower low, and it got above the 20 EMA, I went back long with a stop, with a tight stop right here. It did give me almost a 2-to-1, but not quite. So I didn't lock in profit when it moved higher. I was hoping or waiting for it to get to yesterday's high, but once it made a new 5-minute low, I got out for a break even. So pretty much this was a small loser. And then I messed around with Nvidia. Nvidia, I'm kind of disappointed with myself. So after I had a great trading morning, I went to the gym, and then I came back, and I saw Nvidia reclaiming the 20 EMA, and I saw that it was pretty strong in the open, and I thought it could potentially test high of day. So, and I went long right here, but I was stopped out. And then once I saw that a lot of bulls, a lot of buyers like myself were probably trapped, the ones who are not quick to stop out, I flipped my position and went short, and I covered some right here, and I took off the rest of the position right here for a break even. So this last trade was not necessary. Pretty much it was a scratch because I lost money here, but I made money here. So these were the trades today. Definitely overtraded a bit. That Nvidia trade was not necessary. And yeah, if you had any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. The takeaway from today's trade and from my trading lately is that I've been paying attention to the 20 EMA, and I want to trade with the 20 EMA, so in the direction of the 20 EMA. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.